Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for returning learners. This tutorial will teach you how to access a practice test in Essential Ed, an app that OSSI pays for that creates a personalized lesson plan, a set of lesson plans for you as a GED student. Okay, first you need to access your school issued email address. In this case, Amber Gross Gray is the student I'm using as an example. This is her school issued email. The password is always student 123. And you're going to log in like so. All right, it will give you an option to save it. You always want to click save. And then it also gives you an option or the question, are you studying at school during a class? You want to click yes. Click on GED Academy right here. Do not click CASAS, GED Academy. After you click the GED Academy link, it's going to bring you to your dashboard, okay? Your dashboard has a list of the different topics that you have access to study tests on. Over here, if we're in reading class, then we're going to select RLA reading. If we're in social studies class, we're going to select social studies. Do not select language, do not select writing. Those are different parts of the GED, but we're only concerned with reading and social studies for now. So, if this student is taking a practice social studies test, she would select social studies. And if you look all the way over here to your right, you'll see progress, study level, practice test, test details. You want to click on the blue, that's very small, test details. It lights up though. All right, so over here you can see to the left the different subjects that are in orange and the different test types that are in bold black, okay? Underneath all of it, you'll see the option for take a social studies test. In this case, we would take a social studies test. Before I click this link, pay attention to the attempts that this student has made. The first one was on July 28th of 2022. The second one was on October 6th of 2022. And the third one was on October 6th of 2022. So it looks as if she did those twice in a row. It also records the amount of time that you spend on each test. The test time is 32 minutes, I believe, or 33 minutes. All right, and it gives you your score. Keep in mind, a 145 is a passing score. So she would click here for take a social studies test. And then voila, she's there. Okay, look at that, 32 minutes to be exact. You'd press this arrow key to the right or next. Both will take you to the actual test you're seeing. So I'm going to close that out. Yes, I want to submit, but that's okay. Come back over here and say I'm in reading class. Click on the reading link, RLA reading link to indicate reading. Come over here to the right-hand side. Click on test details. As you can see, although social studies is at the top, reading is at the very bottom. Okay, so this student took a reading exam September 6, 2022. Okay, and her score was 161, so she scored pretty highly for taking the exam. All right. So that completes the tutorial. Again, before I end it, you'll click on take a RLA reading test, access the RLA reading test, boom, you're right there. 45 minutes, okay? That's half the amount of time it takes for the actual test. No, they do not require you to write on this version. All right. Normally, all the answers and questions would have to be answered. You would click yes, I want to submit, and then it would give you your score. You then go on and they would start you at your lessons. And this is the beginning of the personalized learning plan. Thank you and have a good day.